In this video, we're going to show you how to get started with IBM's Reactive Platform sample on IBM Cloud Private, otherwise known as ICP. The application being deployed is the Chirper sample, which contains 4 microservices, demonstrating a simple microblogging site. It makes use of the Play and Lagom frameworks and the akka toolkit, 3 of the key constituents of the Reactive platform. We'll be using a pre-configured Helm chart that can be accessed through the ICP catalog, and which will then be deployed to an ICP Kubernetes cluster via the UI. We will assume that you already have an ICP instance set up with the standard catalog available. From the login page of your ICP instance, enter your credentials to sign in. Then navigate to the Catalog tab on the navigation bar at the top right of the UI. In the resulting search bar, enter Reactive in order to find the IBM Reactive Platform Lagom sample. After selecting the sample, a README will be displayed containing information, including a brief description about the sample, along with some chart details such as prerequisites and resources required. Navigate to the configuration page and fill out all of the necessary details. These should be marked by a small star. Once satisfied, use the Install button on the bottom right of the UI to begin the deployment process. You can view the progress of the deployment by heading to the Helm Releases page and finding the name of your release, or via the View Helm Releases button displayed. From here, you can see the status of the deployments, pods, and services that all make up the Chirper sample. You can also see here that 2 akka clusters of 3 pods each are being formed for the Chirp and Friend implementations. These are highlighted in blue. After a short period of time, you will see the deployments becoming available. This should be clear from the Available column in the Deployment section. Wait for all deployments to be available and then head to the hostname you entered during the configuration stage to access the Chirper UI. You can then use this UI to try out the deployed Chirper application. The sample can be used to sign up new users. This involves inputting a username and a name. Once signed up, these users can log in to then start chirping. To create a chirp, simply type something into the text box and select Post. This should then be visible on the feed below. You can sign up multiple users who can then be added as friends, and their chirps will also be seen as part of your feed. Now that you've successfully deployed the Chirper application, we'll focus on how to delete it. To delete the application, return to the ICP UI and navigate to the Helm Releases page and find your release. Once you've found your release, from its action menu, select Delete. Then confirm that you wish to remove the Helm release from your instance. Once the removal has been completed, the release will disappear from the displayed list. So you should now be able to deploy this Reactive application to your ICP instance successfully and be able to delete it successfully. Thanks for watching.